Now, I can take this wire here and cut it and solder it to this like this and keep this one as a solid wire. But if I did that, then I would have to tape this because I couldn't get a shrink tubing on there. I prefer to cut this, twist these two together, and then put the shrink tubing here and then shrink it. I don't too much like electrical tape, but I guess either way will work. Okay. The wire loom is not necessary up to this point. Let me move this out the way. Okay. Okay, that's enough of the wire loom. Don't need any more. So I can now I can take this and put this up to here. I guess I will connect to that. I can connect to it. Okay, now let me solder this. Okay. All right. Now I can twist this together. Like that. All right, so the connection is made up here now. Now, there's something I'm gonna have to do. Since I didn't use shrink tubing for this, I'm gonna have to tape this. I hate taping it. I'm gonna have to do. Now, something I'm going to do when I tape it, I use a glue stick. This glue stick provides insulation. Now, this glue stick, if you know about glue, it gets very, very hard, and it's going to provide an outside barrier. Okay. Now I will tape this up. Now, it's covered with the glue. Now what it can do, and I'll do this sometime and I'm going to do it again, I'm going to put more on it. And the outside of the tape. Make sure it doesn't unravel. get the other side, didn't I? Let me get the other side. Doesn't want to stick. Alright, now melt it a little, let it get a little hot. Now you got a pretty good seal. Don't have to worry about something getting in there. Just gotta let it get hard. Glue sticks get very hard. Now, that is it with this. Now this now is a matter of plugging up to tip them. Putting this back together. Now what we gotta do is go to the inside of the vehicle, and we have to attach this new wire that we just ran to the 2 wires on the TCM. Once we attach those, then we'll plug it up and see if we got power. That means if you saw before, all the park, reverse, neutral, everything was lit up. We're going to see now if once we connect everything there, will it continue to be lit up, or will we have accomplished our goal?